So first of all, sorry if this video sounds a little echoey. I lost my mic, so this is what we're working with. Anyway, welcome to part 2 of my room transformation. So today I'm working on my snack cart / snack station. So I ordered this bamboo ladder shelf thing off of Amazon. I think it was like $45. I built that the other day. It turned out super cute, actually. There's 4 shelves on it, and each shelf going down is a little bit bigger than the next. I have room for everything I would need on that. So I put my smallest things on top and my widest things on bottom. I also bought these shelves that were really cute. They have a little bar on the bottom with hooks so I can hang mugs and stuff on them. So there's 2 of those, and then I have my central perk sign that will light up. I just don't have the cube for the USB plug it is, so I have to get that before I can plug it in. I'm going to show you what snacks I have in my snack station, even though it's like mostly drinks, but like whatever, it's fine. So first I have Izzy's. I love these because they're in the glass bottle and they're orange. It's super cute. It's the clementine, yeah, sparkling clementine flavor. I got 2 packs, so there's 8 of these bottles. I put those on my top shelf. Couldn't tell you why, I just thought they looked the best there because I like the style of this bottle the best, so it's first. Okay, next I have a bunch of canned drinks. So starting out with Liquid Death. This looks so cool. I am not a fan of sparkling water, which is what this is, but it was cheap and like, how cool that is. So I really just got it to go on my shelf, even though I probably won't drink it because, again, not a sparkling water fan. Then I actually went to my local Asian market. I got this bubble tea in a can. I've had bubble tea in a can before and it was you know, it was okay, but it was a different brand. So I decided I'd get one of these just to try. This is the brown sugar flavor. Next, for the things on my top shelf, I have the Java Monster Loco Mocha. I'm not a huge energy drink fan. The only energy drink I like is like the Starbucks double shot. But I thought since I like that, I'll get a Monster in a coffee flavor, see if I like it. So that's also going on my top shelf. And then at the Asian market I went to, I got Milky. I have no idea what this is. It's strawberry flavored. It just says a carbonated drink. So I don't know if it's milk. I'm not really sure. Is it carbonated milk? That sounds weird. Maybe it's just like a strawberry soda. Anyway, love strawberry. I thought the can was super duper cute, so I got one of these to try. And that is it for everything on my top shelf. Okay, on to my second shelf. It's all drinks. So I got this Arnold Palmer. I love these. I just hate the bottle. Like, who is this guy? And it's gray. Like, I don't know. I just think the bottle's ugly, so I put it behind another drink. I got one of these. Love them. Okay, and I put this in front of it. It's the Arizona green tea. I love this bottle so much. It's so cute. Oh, it says it's great hot. I've never tried heating up a drink I got in a can, but maybe I'll try that. That sounds kind of cool. So I put this in front of the Arnold Palmer to add some color. Okay, next, more Arizona teas. This one is the iced tea with lemon. This is one of my favorites. I get these all the time in the summer. So I got 2 of these. And then another Arizona, but this one's the mango fruit juice cocktail. I got 2 of these. Okay, and then I got 2 of these, the Gold Peak sweet teas. And then that is all for the second shelf. And there's actually a little gap right after this for 2 more drinks to go. If you have any ideas or drinks or snacks I should get, please let me know. Okay, third shelf is my snack shelf. This is the only place where I have snacks, which is pretty sad. I need to get a lot more. I got these little containers from IKEA. I'll show you the inside of it. It's cute and green. I put these caramel rice cakes in it. I don't know, these things are delicious. They're better than the like bigger rice cakes because like there's more caramel to rice cake ratio. And they're like really crunchy. They're kind of like a chip. So I love these. I have 3 bags. And then I got another one of these containers. So in this, I have dried cranberries. I was looking at like snack card aesthetic videos on like TikTok and YouTube and Pinterest and stuff, and it was all filled with like super unhealthy foods. Okay, I'm not saying any of the foods I showed you were like healthy by any means, okay? But like, I don't want to just like fill it all with candy. I want to have some healthier options there, which is why I got more of the teas instead of the sodas, even though I don't really know if that makes a difference. It seems healthier in my mind. Anyway, I got cranberries. Next, after we're talking about the healthy snacks, I got Pocky. These are the strawberry ones. I haven't had these. I had Pocky once before in my life, and it was like the chocolate almond one. I'm not sure if I'm going to love this, so I only got one box. At the Asian grocery store I live by, there's a lot of flavors, so if I like these, I might go back to get more. At the same grocery store, I got Yan Yan. I don't know if that's how you say it. If it's not, I'm sorry. They look really cute. It says strawberry cream. Love strawberry, so got that to try. I also had just like a bunch of like chocolates, so threw those in there. And then I got this Thai iced tea, and I am very excited to try these. This is what they look like. They come in little tea bags, and I really wanted to put these in a tea container I had, which, let me get real quick. I really wanted to put it in this, which it says it's a brew tea full day. I wanted to put it in this, but it wouldn't fit, which was like disappointing. So I just put this in my snack box for now until I find like a better situation for it. And then for my very last shelf, I just have my mini fridge. It's really cute, small, pink. It can hold a few cans. So if I do decide to like stock up on like a certain drink, I can just put any extras I have in there. And then there's space next to it, probably like more snacks and stuff. I just don't know what to put there yet. So onto the shelves I hung up. So like I showed you, I got this little tea holder, and then I'm going to put these in it. It's cranberry rose and vanilla. So I love these, and hopefully these ones will fit. They're so cute. The packaging is purple. Cute. I don't know if it should stick out that far or if I should turn it sideways. See, that looks cute. All right, these all barely fit in there. So I'm gonna put this on my shelf, and right beside it, I have these super cute like crystal plates. So this is one of them. It's so cute. I already used one of them. It's just adorable. I love these. So these are going next to it. And then I still have some work to do on the shelves. So I have this mason jar, and I have these spoons, these little iced tea spoons that are also straws. So I'm just going to put these in the jar and put it on the other shelf. So I have cute straws. I think these would be really good for like, if I run out of boba straws, because there's little spoons so I can like eat the boba. Cute. And then I have 2 mugs, both from IKEA. They're these little green ones, and I'm going to hang these on the hooks, and we will see how that looks. That's cute. Okay, now I need a lot more mugs though, but I really like this. This is really cute. We'll put these up here. Yeah, that's cute. There is a lot of like space open still. I still have a lot of space on the hooks, the shelf I hung up, and then some of the shelves on the actual like ladder shelf. So if you have any ideas of what I should put there, let me know. But yeah, I hope this gave you some ideas, some inspiration for making your own little snack cart or station at home. Stay tuned for more bedroom transformation DIY things, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!